Who wins the Artist of the Year 2025 no, is the most talked about topic on the internet now. Say Oba Ghana entertainment space now. Dodona e kase can Paluta and it deserve it. Dodona e kase can promise it deserve it. Ebi mo say Black Sheriff. Ebi mo so say Stone Boy. Obia e chenadne. But so se en kano krepa nipa Dodona e temumano eye can promise and asa can Paluta. In the studios today, I have one of the most experienced entertainment pundit or Europe. Formerly, he used to host the show called Play while running space for some time. And I'm with my broche family, Juman in your mano, or back off kakra, but Nyanko Padum, or say back.
Yeah, Fermin and Kwame Black. Oh shit. Yeah.
Play. King Paluta, Artist of the Year 2025. About who is saying?
For me, any a bad idea, you know, why Juma, full why Juma, if we are trying to speak facts, Kim Paluta, Juma, and then he has been in the space, you know, say to climb up for Ghanaians to predict, say, on a fatal, no. It means so Juma. I know Kim Paluta way back from Atonsu, you know, like he's the commander, but because of say channel, it was more like he nimtamana or shasi, you know, the dream any or the abem no. Why Juma bedu sam pen so at least masses no it be kase would deserve no. To me is not a bad idea. But
Yanko
Bruni can't no come better. Competition is tough.
Okay.
What I would say is and yet better as I say you feel say a kind no one can promise. I think Stone Boy more, you know, a couple of
yeah, because me try know Stone Boy day a list of Juma why day a buy boga because Juma Stone Boy I no me yam crash me. No. I think that Kim Paluta the entire man for a 10 man casino that song now nya no.
Yeah.
Makoma. But no cry no. I think say yeah say my year frame.
You're my year frame. I think on say sometimes no.
But I think say ni team no e de let echo.
Okay.
So muntia say o ma drop sa anyum.
I think what's here you see?
Yeah, anyum no.
Also yeah the vibe or sometimes you adibi or say it's here you the vibe but emo lyrics no.
Yeah, but lyrics no come money. Because
we don't see attention.
No, this is not the first time. I think say Honorable Keto Kriku.
Yeah, Mantekra.
Yeah, every can say
it is a honor.
But and no my man for adwene say you may profane and I say you profane man. Kim Paluta ko so many interviews I busa na what same say and you mean you profane.
Yeah.
To you a profane.
To me no, I say most of the time no, I am not into humanity. Sometimes we are entertaining, we are, you know, educating as well. In humanity, no, sometimes who you words be should be you want to make sure no. You should be extra careful.
No, to you.
To me, yes, there are some words I don't think say
right
for me.
Wait to me. I could words.
And I think say na mi refi kakra say a boy but I think he will sa you know on fata you said the advantage therefore the advantage mama therefore the advantage.
Yeah, but okata so say okasa therefore the advantage kra na about okata so
sisi fiani bi sisi fiani bi and also a patron
any profane.
Yeah, but but you are trying to draw attentions to. You was sifia, you what to kessie. So no money now, you can't dare to try doing so. I'll buy all queen tosun. Just imagine.
Yeah, but body
attention. Yes, but young parts of baby you free no. About you to trauma. Small boy, small girl, no mookies, in a girlfriend, no. They don't hide things, but also where we are coming from sometimes, no. It's not butchery actually, but sometimes.
Okay, aboy, me bao. Enti se makoma no.
Yeah.
Say board na mfa nka ho a, e chese oni chance or win o.
No, it's just only chance. And yet, because Simon no, a boy pijano.
Okay. Eni nti say enyum na ama because almost Sunday no we close teaching ni bibia. Omo accept omo kwatan so na enyum no ma mfa nka ho a, which means on to na dream in free artist of the year.
Yeah, but let me ask one question here. Or yeah, petition. Then omo reason they say.
Omo nyamfa answer, omo nyamfa ayimai.
Okay.
Omo fa final adema. And then the end say any Sunday.
Yeah.
Omo ka so ma biema to Sunday. And I think say nyame ya maybe a free chine ko no. Ani be hu de nti a omo yi enyum ni free.
Because if you can't remember, yeah, instances will be brave. If you remember, Kel's songs, or a beautiful song, omo puti sack on, sack din komoke to where be or
Yeah.
Omo de, disqualified you know. At that time, no chance. Make me amount instances be brave. I think say Nana Boru sack years. It happened. Saki yeah instances be the year no almost say no. This adi we are sake kanity and you're disqualified. You get me? So these things no sometimes yeah nyuma I say director juma yi na ye your target is to aim high. Oh me try. Yeah nyane sa akwa say time na ho ato.
No. Avoid.
I show yeah nyuma.
Avoid. O studio ana vibe na ba inspiration na ba. No nyene betima ka say time wa nyene e bia Ghana
masses no.
No, Ghana awards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we wanted to communicate the energy now no.
Yeah, but so I'm doing one so let me push your mind to
into musicians like
and he said how you don't have to write anything, you don't have to seek, legal advice and no team to
listen, to me, oni omo kasa no any say who say nyum na oye ne profane. So no who say profane na kon kra.
Okay. Into not only the see or penny reason why you feel because I'm not toning them. Or feel say honing your profane and I know maybe a woman no cool into momo money reason.
Yeah.
It is see I know. I say into me and can want to be until say Shatta house.
Yes, omudi ade na nkasa
Very good.
Okay. Also more times no din pass say obeba sin nim.
Not all of a sudden.
Not all of a sudden. What blow pa na de awo ayi
Mami say ni fella. On say fella we know. The mood, but the problem is this is a big show on a mission. So sometimes oteswa and a quechi the BonahShow is show a quechi. So we need to educate more underground, not more show no. Because you never know. One day, we say chance abano about the BonahShow. So on say awards we know. And the code kesi panami yama no. They call them if ye nominee they call you. And there is an amount is stated to her for every category. A woman. So if a artist of the year, they can tell you this one is like a beer 10,000 Ghana and 20,000 and sometimes 50,000.
Yes,
me show.
Okay, me chairman we see because somehow they can
this award ne daso. So if you feel say opera and then you come back door now they say sikaneba. No matter what a juma will be iron. So ultimate sikana.
Oh Debbie boy, oh Debbie.
Listen to what
yeah, never
say ayo nwanwa.
Debbie sisa.
Mama nchira wade. O say what say utie me. Ayo nwanwa. Uni say me many artists be really
Debbie no artists
don't say kwakase krabe abe allegation won.
Say Ghana Music Awards for no edge free.
Yes. Unte aya yeah references. Let's go back to books.
Debbie it's below belt.
I'm telling you.
Ghana Debbie me once but empty mean see that Ghana Music Awards edge ska ansa no mama award.
Chatter house na edge ska.
Debbie listen, any artist or see a genius can come out.
Listen, a professional.
Debbie any professional. Debbie senior.
Me were artists for me no more din command.
Debbie ubetima bo wuti.
Oh, Oh, me koba o say omo privacy.
Nye privacy. When your
I'm
privacy.
telling you, they call them. You be free. Asama make on. Enchebia.
There is
You show you swano.
then you assembly also retracted them.
Oh, I'm telling you for a fact. So what the same way you on. We show you so.
So what more
Obeko UK. Listen.
no. So what more dear?
Obeya Juma, Ubenya artist, Obeba Betina, so I catch you say maybe we shall interview be as someone ko a cano and I'll pandic to I'm telling you.
That be and I'm say so
Social a big platform.
I know,
Me
but
to
listen,
control.
listen.
That was so.
Listen. So when to me are more artists being
Yeah.
also they can retract yourself because this is a disrespect to me.
Any disrespect.
No, a disrespect to say a scheme like
Yeah.
Ghana Music Awards. Ebe demanded an amount from
I'm telling you.
an artist say, oh, Pega,
Mami
artist of the year, but yes, can we answer them? Never.
Mami show secret be. Unim say Sadie no top notch for no intimi fan somebody like Shatta are excluded. Sako the Stone Boy mo, they are excluded. I'm telling you, somebody like Paluta, Opesa Artist of the Year, you need to pay. I'm telling you, David, them promise mono. I didn't medical mo. Almost 7 nominations. Yeah, man, about
Maybe one deserve it. Not on deserve it. Yes,
unim the ma patapa bufu ya interview krano.
No,
catch almost
Patapa
Patapa
and most popular song of the year. No, based on almost skim no year. No, Patapa enya that amount of votes. No, for him to win that award. And unto man farmer.
Oh, yeah, sure. And then may code kesiye pa code. On say person obejat.
No, listen. Because
feel say you two strangers.
Only evidence.
I'm telling you.
No, only evidence.
And evidence.
Avoid.
You won't come out. You did.
Untimi cancer.
Now only you won't come out. You did the back door.
And I'm say.
And no unim say you won't come out.
Say a back door come out. A back door come out. Untimi metan platform so me cancer. Shatta has for a demand this can sign a movie artist of the year.
I'm telling you because many artists need be.
And I'm saying this chronos. Why money the answer no
me.
Debbie. So hold on.
Award no.
See me. Say artist no.
Yeah.
So me money the with due respect. Over retract this asem no. For now, me. For now, because uni facts.
On say
no now but try. Me.
Meet you.
What make it an allegation?
Yeah.
On a platform. Me obiabe holding me responsible. Say me preachy professionalism.
Okay.
Me preachy objectivity.
Okay.
No mama obi kwine. Now wabe tarnish an image of a scheme which is very disrespectful.
Okay.
The only time I met mama I call free. Say, what the evidence about say be artist A, B or C.
Yeah.
Menene communication in the evidence near say Shatta House for a demand be 100 million. So emphasis can run sound why they wabeye artist of the year. And until now, no say because of secret and you might undisclosed me boy. Until catch a camera and say asem can why retract it.
No, sir. I'm trying to be fake on your show.
No, and you
listen. In as much as
the evidence
we preachy say like everything should be, professional and make some from
because only evidence.
More evidence, but I can't put it on the show.
That is not on evidence.
Oh, listen. Say, met me a bodini CCH.
Bodino,
but nipa no, my invading the private. Confidential at the end.
Say confidential. Any evidence.
Yeah, I know.
And I'm saying any evidence.
Yeah, I know.
About any evidence.
But who believe it Shatta House more?
100%.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Mateo, I say,
me who be a free. Okay, and until retract it, extra camera no. So all retract it, as I'm not kind so Omuji's cancer normal artist of the year.
And now why
retract it and sana ya baso?
Why do you think say it was a retract it?
Yes, because why mommy evidence? Why mommy evidence?
Okay, say who after the show,
maybe
messages at you.
Chat omo show no.
Yeah.
Omo unya evidence ni bi. And on my platform ni looking very weak. And until say GD say as now can 100%.
Yeah.
This is the camera for evidence ni bra. Say artists we say. omo demand iska
Yeah.
to give him the artist of the year where nya enu nti no muji free ni ho.
Enya nipa ba cool. Yes, I nipa more. I'm telling you.
Modin.
And now I'm in chill secret cry. Yeah, no. Share, I'm in chill, where also me bubu A-list artists be a Saudi and won't mean fendi
There be a boy.
but omo mobile no. Opa some are making
A boy.
Opa market and make can will show you and you promise you.
A boy.
But a crowd de Kim Paluta be fast on a bet you on some.
Okay, sir.
A choir of de Kim Paluta be first maybe I bet you some. Trust me. Oh, there
Matthias, maybe.
I'm telling you.
Me for asada kese enkomo aha the Bonah Show. Many ye play one of the most experienced entertainment pundits you want to Europe. And I'm in a transino. Yeah, discuss about artist of the year 2025. But what make his statement be? Now, near me can say so one for evidence ama asem no a void. A invalid. I will show we so. Or no patch say artist only artist be in common artist ne patch say scheme no e demand is can be free ni ho. Scheme no demand is can be free omo ho. Sa artist koi enye scan ama scheme no. I don't think na wanya artist of the year no. But me say unfa evidence emra or say evidence ni secret.
Yeah.
Ana me say evidence ni secret a. Na no masem no. Eye invalid. I will show you so. Wa retract it.
Chekwa ya faso. Efese ye Kim Paluta free.
No, okasa, which means omo ji ade na free Kim Paluta or by force so bien deserve it. But and don't forget say Stoneboy was to be Stoneboy aye adwuma.
Yes.
Kim Promise.
Stoneboy won't mean Kobe Saniska.
And I'm saying, no. Boy, let's put the money aside. So okay say omo ji ade na free Kim. So say opa say omo ji free Kim Paluta or not say Kim Paluta enye scan ko tuenti no moji.
Nothing to that.
No.
Okay, in the first place, me patron, I mean, bizarre question. Said no. Me statey instances be almost any profane. No? Me statey instances be one.
Yeah, no. Remember, don't forget, say scheme no more yeah, no. Almost standards or.
Yo, so in the first place, so some example be say, set na munim, and you muti, and say board at Nasiaye.
Yes, almost from my
taint, Yadentina, or Hono. Yama omission say makoma no. There's a problem with the song. So
yeah, man fan can crowd. Man nominate no BBM. Aya Paluta mo na say omo de sa anyom ne kan ho. Omo submit e.
Incident in frame.
Yeah, because scheme no e bi ene enioma bi enye right. Yen chan nyame yad me free Monday ko.
Okay. Sa anyom no. And some show bo will show you to say yam fan kan ho bi. I'm telling you.
But omo de kan
no na Emma Paluta chance. Someone fan can listen on your show.
So Oman fan can
chances of
say Paluta by winning no low. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And she say Paluta any favorite and why never call.
To me, like I was saying, can promise I hear Juma.
Yeah. And I drew so.
A drew so. Oh, say I did be alright.
But the word a drew so no so a trebi before fro.
On for boot to boot, if you are marking boot to booter, can promise I hear Juma saying King Paluta. I'm telling you. Yeah, Brochi internationally BBM no. Why hear Juma King Paluta?
Wow.
Let's face facts. Once I hear we feel says sometimes no Ghana for a base their facts on a new a blue a hate obia a to be no. That is what we but
that is popular
schema. Very good. Let me schema. Do you know what I'm gonna choose? Say if I'm rating say we artist of the year who impact. Let's say
yeah, but
boom
Ubi.
Yenis.
So about me no. Me looking down on Ajuma no more. No yeah, Ajuma.
Looking down, but I'm telling you, say me schema. I'm telling you, say album should count.
Yeah.
Our international shows should count. Charity works should count. Everything concerning creative art should count. When you say my bonding way a favorite to be I feel say okay, boot to boot. Maybe so question Kim Paluta and it can promise one a Juma. Boot for boot.
Not being sincere or not. to me no ɔmo mmienu nyinaa ayɛ adwuma but adwuma creative art mu no ewiase bibia mu yɛwɔ adom wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ favor ɛtumi tɔ biribi so eduru bi a nye nneɛma bebree na abɛyɛ no yɛwɔ ketewese wɔ hɔ ana yɛwɔ dodo saka wobɛtumi wɔ sɛ obi abo shows bɛyɛ 5,000 shows
Yes.
ba ebi a wo show baako pɛ
Actually, bibia.
adwuma ɛbɛyɛ no ɔmo mmienu no I think ɔmo mmienu yɛ favorite me deɛ ɔmo de bɛma no bia no I'll be happy
Okay.
ɔmo de ma Paluta praise the Lord ɔmo de ma King Promiser praise the Lord ɔmo de ma Stoneboy praise the Lord
But make asem waha on your show you so. Any revelation and any prophecy can promise near the bemano. You will come back to this show. This segment ni be home kwa.
well
Can promise.
yeah no listen so ɔmo de ma King Promiser which means o deserve it meboa ɔmo de ma King me to me no obi a ɔmo de bɛma no bia no o deserve it
Yeah.
so ɔbɛkae a last year na said this year yeah last year no be as a King Promise the who yan say this guy portfolio
Yeah.
edi adwuma Stoneboy aide
Aye.
aye aba abonten ɛhɔ no bia adwene sansesan sɛ ei sanya hit song sɛ mo ɛyɛ adwuma
Yeah.
ampa saa deɛ no change enwoma finally adeɛ no ba abonten no na yɛ Stoneboy
Yeah.
ɛno nti this year nso mahu sɛ dodoɔ no ɛtiɛm Paluta
But
But-
man asesa. Me ma catch you.
dabi
Me catch you. Who's Jase obedia too. But me preaching the gospel fact to you say Emrana can promise.
adintra
Because
wayɛ adwuma sɛn Paluta saa na apɛ sɛ ɔkyɛ
why you juma chen paluta?
Okay.
And on a more serious note,
Mhm.
these people look out for how our team is strong. That's how Shatta House are connected. When your team is stronger, they have some kind of respect for you. I'm telling you, in quotes, na make no. And see, for now, no, King Paluta, boot for boot, no, can promise team a stronger channel.
okay
So, and sometimes, no, they look at where you are coming from. Omuta ebu nipa nimtia pa. I'm telling enemy ye facts be a yet nipa nin course. So, omuta ebu nipa nimtia. King Paluta say no. And can you me cry no? Can who ni asem? Ma submitting him a feni echo shrim no. Ya di kan ebu ni nimtia from where he's coming from.
I mean that was
That's all say that so bad ya. But I'm telling you, ya bu ni nimtia she's coming from. Me na me
no sure there
maybe ya bu ni nimtia because I was all because or your say kumni. Me ye fact tio ya so oji too. I'm telling you for fact.
no
Ya bu ni nimtia.
listen ɛnyɛ meji atum anasa me nyintum ɛnyem no asɛm wɔ ho sɛ ɛnyem no asɛm ni ho a mo submit mo nyem no obia de appear wo de ama bia no which means question mark yɛ den ɛwɔ baabi ɛno nti na last week mo bie mu sɛ wo a hu sɛ ebi a wo nyem no o man treat it fairly no
Yeah.
o ma biem petition yɛ den
Ebra.
o mo pese bibia yɛ fair ana Paluta ne ne team ɛde ba sɛ da bi makoma no o ma anyɛ fair o mo nsan kɔtena so biem enti yɛn twɛn Monday
No.
enti to you no deɛ sɛ o mo de makoma bɛka ho deɛ hands down Paluta ɛbɛfa
Momo de makuma bekanokrana. Still now I feel say I can promise there.
okay to you can promise it deserving to near man and answer be binting our cast as no
Yeah, on a more serious note.
o deserve it
Deserve it.
Okay.
And secondly, I honor na yantum pesa obedia tum. Osawo stronger team and upper hand chank in Paluta. And also your points can say.
yeah but o share Ghana Music Award scheme now baby any o must state say based on your team a bit mama points
See you feel an amount.
Looking for the perfect home away from home? Stay with Pcash Properties in Akira Made, Kumasi. Luxurious, fully furnished spaces designed for your comfort. Book now, Ghana, +2 332 45 356 907 UK +4 479 4606 0393. Visit www.pcashproperties.com. Your dreams stay awaits. Don't wait. Book today.